we'll continue with set theory, right? No? Start korilu recording. So we'll start with set. So yesterday we have started. So operation on sets we will start today. Union and intersection of sets. Right? What is union and intersection of sets? Say if a set consisting of 1, 2, 3 and another set consisting of 2, 3, 4, then A union B always will give us common, uncommon, all elements. A union B always common, uncommon. If it is uncommon, one is uncommon, it will come. But from common, if it is common, then only one number. 2 is common, so 2 also will come once. 3 also common, so 3 will also come once. Then 4 is uncommon, 4 will also come. So common and uncommon, both the elements will come, right? Okay. Now, so what is union of two sets? Union of two sets give us common and uncommon all elements, right? So you can represent this one by Venn diagram. Okay. So Venn diagram jodi represent kora. What is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is a simple logical explanation of sets, and always this is a rectangle. This is called universal set. This is universal set. That means universal set is always represented by a rectangle. Now, what is a universal set? Ziblack set we discuss under considerations. So we can imagine a set which is bigger than this set. This set I discuss korisu. Tumi duta setot ke eta damor set bhabibo para. It can be any set, but it should be bigger than these two sets. And all the elements of AB should be there in the bigger set. So that's called a universal set. Right. So a universal set to matlab tamane eta set humai thakibo, right? And how the individual set can be represented? Individual sets are represented by circles. So ami prothomote dhora A draw korilu. A et ki element ase 1 2 3 1 2 3. We are going to represent B. B keneke represent korim? B eneke represent hobo. There will be overlapping. Kile? Because 2 3 are common. So 2 3 beleg beleg ke draw koribo nwaro. Right? 2 3 common, and 1 4 is 1 2, right? Yeah, 2 3 4. Okay, only 4. Okay, so we have drawn these two sets. Given sets are overlapping sets. Now how do we represent Venn diagram? Etia Venn diagram jodi A union B represent kora bili kon kini jaga A union represent, that you have to shading, right? That you need to set the reason. Jodi moi shading koru ki hobo sai loa. Shading korile common uncommon. Ekini hol uncommon. This will come. This is common. This one will also come. This is uncommon. This one also come. Then this shaded portions will represent what? A union B. Okay. Now, what is intersection of two sets? Those who are online students, could you follow what is union of two sets? Yeah, did you note down? Did you note down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now, intersection of set A intersection B. So we have taken A to Kibuli Lucilu. A we have taken as 1 2 3. Or B we took as 2 3 4. Right? In intersection only the common elements will come. Only common elements will appear. So 2 is common, it will come. 3 is common, it will come. only the common element will be in intersection of sets, right? How do you represent intersection by Venn diagram? So this is one set, this is another set. So common element, this is a common reason, tat thakibo, etu 1 thakibo, yate 4 thakibo. So, and this is U, mane universal set, or this is all A, or this is B. Okay, now A intersection B will be represented by only the common portions. So this will be represented A intersection B. Mona rakhiba. Right? Only the common region will be represented by intersection of sets. Okay. Now, say if A is equal, okay, if A is equal, say A, B, C, and B is equal E, F, G. Right? There are two sets and there is no overlapping. I mean, what is the intersection of these two sets? Intersection of key element pound? Common element pound? What is common? There is no common. So therefore, A intersection B will not contain any element. Echo element na thakile ami eta ki set boli kau? Null set. How do we represent null set? Null set ot ami second bracket likhu or bitor echo ni likhu. This is called null set or can be represented by 5. Right? Yes. So I'll do it to mark that draw this Venn diagram AB. You can just draw like this. This will be universal set. It will A or it will B. It will 1, 2, 3. No, ABC. I have written ABC, right? No? ABC will be A, E, F, G. Okay, so intersection hole we don't need to shed any portions. So the intersection hoy, tetele yare intersection ki hobo 5 hobo, and we cannot shed any region, right? Because there is no portion to shed. Kidu jodi ko represent union, tetele what you have to do? You have to shed this. Because all the elements A, B, C you have to take, all the elements E, F, G you have to take. So both the shading circle will represent what? A union B. Yeah, this both the shading circle will represent A union B. Done. Okay, done. Now let's go ahead now. So universal set kotha kolu, then complement of a set pohon etia, complement of a set Venn diagram pohalo, De Morgan's pohon, therefore you can just solve question answers, right? Okay, yes. Then next coming up is this complement of a set, right? What is very important? Complement of, okay, complement of a set. So complement of a set, for a set complement is denoted by A, complement, A dash or AC. There is a set dia ase A complement. How do you write? How do you define A complement? X such that X belongs to universal set RO and X does not belong into A. Mona rakhiba. Complementor element bilak set to nathake ketio. A complement mane the element will never be lie in A, but it will lie in the universal set. Right? So this is the definition of complement. Tak jodi Venn diagram pa bujibole khuja, you can just understand with the help of the Venn diagram. Sai loa, etu hol universal set, aru etu hol A. There are set A. So A complement mane 8 nahoy, A bahirot jikono position of any element can be. So that these portions except A. Okay, all shading region in U except A will represent what? A complement or A dash. AC or A dash same kotha, right? Silo important laws. एकदम एखिनि बहुत important तुम्हारे chapter to karne हाँ important laws. 1 n a union b n যদি লিখো হেতু কয় cardinal number বুলি কয় তাৰমানে meaning হল কি number of elements in a union b, that's called a cardinal number. What is a cardinal number? Cardinal number means the number of elements contained in a set. এটা সেটত যিমান এলিমেন্ট থাকে তাক cardinal number বুলি কয় আৰু তাক কেনেকৈ লিখে n of a যদি n of a মানে cardinal number of a ধৰা for example it if I just write a set if I write a set a is equal to 1 2 3 then what is the cardinal number of a 3 hobo n a মানে a thoka number of element to bujay 1 2 3 to no bujay number of count korile hoy gol right. So based on cardinal number we are going to laws some laws. Did you write 1 to hobo very important n a union b whole n a union b to whole n of a plus n of b minus n a intersection b mane rakhiba 2 n of a and b n of a intersection b 2 n of a union b union c tinta jodi set thake how to find a cardinal number on a union b union c kenike kore n of a plus n of b plus n of c minus n of a union b minus n of b union c minus n of c union a plus n of a intersection b intersection c. Yes, marakiba, right? N of a plus n of b plus n of c and a union b and b union c and c union a plus n a last word plus a to a intersection b intersection c. Done. Okay, now 3 n of then we are going to ekeloge likhi dim moi etu ha De Morgan's law to ekeloge likhi dim n to nalage. Okay, a union b complement a union b complement a complement intersection b complement a to whole a b a intersection b complement a complement union b complement ekita ki boli koy. What is a law called De Morgan's law mane a union b complement is equal to a complement intersection b complement yate union thakile yate complement hobo mane rakhiba ar yate complement thakile yate union hobo a intersection b complement hol complement kita thakiboi a sign to change ho jabo ite complement thakiboi sign to change ho jabo. This two law together is called De Morgan's. Yeah, so try question answers. Illustration 14. Okay, page number 95. Etu kora illustration 14 1 2 3 4 5 2 4 5 8 c then a union b union c etu question 14. illustration 14, right? Question A, what is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is B? 2, 4, 5, 8. Okay, what is C? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Done? Okay, we need what? A union? Yeah, we need to find out this. Etu mane kiman hoy? What is A union, B union, C? Done? Okay, so first to me B union C find korilo. Prothomote ami etu ulai lom B union C. B union C mane what is a union? Union mean common uncommon sub element aibo. 2 is uncommon, so write 2. 3 is also uncommon, write 3. 4 is common, so write 1 element. 5 is common, write 1 element. Okay. 6 is uncommon, write the element. 7 is uncommon, 8 also uncommon. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now it ইয়াৰ লগত কি কৰিম আমি A union B union C কৰিম. It will be comparing only these two. এই দুটা হল অকল এই দুটা চাবা এইখিনি এলিমেন্ট চাবা এইখিনি 1 is uncommon, it has to be there. So 2 আৰু 2 মাজত এটা 2 আহিব, right? 3 and 3 is common, only 1 3 will come. 4 is common, only 1 4 will come. 5 is common, only 1 5 will come. Then 6, 7, 8 all are uncommon. So your answer is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 all elements. Now this gives you A union B union C. Done? Yes. Next kora etu yes, illustration 15. A dia ase 1 2 3, B dia ase 2 3 4. Find A union B into A minus B union B minus A, right? Okay. A dia ase so I think this is illustration 15, right? A is given as 1 2 3, no? And what is B? 2 3 4. So তোমাক এটা ইন্টারেস্টিং প্রপার্টি এটা খুদিছে ইয়াতে A union B আর B A minus B union B minus A. ইয়াতে নামও আছে আগতে চাই লম এটো. You will find out, but before that you will see this one Venn diagram পাম. Okay, প্রথমতে মই just I'll draw A, then since there are overlapping, so I'll just draw two overlapping circles. A para, this is A para B minus kobile kose ekhini minus kobile kose. So what we are going to get, ami ki pam sai lo ami ekhini pam, so ami ekhini pam ekhini. This is A minus B kile A para ekhini B. So see, in A what is our overlapping or common overlapping circles ase, so that you have to subtract. So to subtract koile A minus B ekhini na thake because this is there in B. According to this amak B na lage, so B was subtracting only this one, so this one will give you A difference B. Ako union lage second circle hol B, etu hol B, B pra A na lage, just you need to subtract. So this one, right? So this shading portions will give you A minus B union B minus A. Okay, done? So you can find out this, but before that I think for this this concept should be there. This is called symmetry. This is called symmetric difference of two sets. This is called symmetric difference of two sets. Maybe there here in Venn diagram mode thakibo. নাথাকিলে নাই লিখি লোৱা এটো হয় এটোক symmetric difference বুলি কয় symmetric difference. Etuk symmetric difference boli koy, right? So can I find koriba? Prothamote we'll find out a minus b. 1 will be there. So b to subtract over. B 2 to ase. So 2 you have to subtract 2. 2 will not be there. 3 will also not be there. Okol 1 to thakibo. Ako b minus 8 t thakibo. B chua b para tumi a to yeah a to b para tumi a to subtract koribo lage. So 2 will not be there because 2 is there in a. 3 will not be there. 4 is there. Right? 4 will be there. So therefore a difference b union b difference a ki hobo 1, 4. Done? So we'll just solve problem sums, huh? We'll solve problem sum. Illustration 17. In a class, all of you just go through illustration 17. In a class of 100 students, 45 students read physics, 52 students read chemistry, 15 students read both the subject. Find a number of students who study neither physics nor chemistry. Okay, so right. This is, I think, 17, right? Question 17. So just read the question once more. Yeah, n of 40, n of p. N of p means the number of students who read physics. It's 45. Then n of c. Then chemistry 40, 52, right? And physics intersection C, Iman? 15. So what is given in 100 students? Total number of students 100. Number of students who read physics is 45. Number of students who read chemistry is 52. Number of students who read either of the subject physics and chemistry is 15. So what's the question? What do we need? Number of students. Okay. So what do we need is this. So neither physics dash nor chemistry. Ekeloge chemistry pohibo na lagibo. Etu lagibo. You need n p complement intersection c complement, right? Okay. So tar karone ami ki hobo sai lobo n of agote etu koribole sohoje hoy. Just tar agote like let me try to make you understand the questions. P complement intersection C complement, right? So I De Morgan's use korim. P union C complement. Can I write like this? Emato higisu. Duitare complement jodi ejagat likha, that intersection will be union, right? Done? Yeah. So now P union C complement to lagibo amak. Etia amak P union C complement to lagole hol tar number of kiman element thake ami prothomote lagibo. But before that, before finding P union C complement, toma ki lage? P union C lagibo? Yeah, P union C to korilo, right? What is P union C? P look, N P union C. So we'll be using the addition formula. Emato higisu. N of P, N of C, N of P intersection C is equal to N of P hole 45, N of C hole 52, 15, right? Okay. 45 opa jodi 15 minus kori jay easy minus ekane 30 hobo plus 52 is equal to kiman hobo 82. That means 82 students will read either of the two subjects. Hoy physics pohibo, noy chemistry pohibo, noy duitai pohibo. Tamane in the 100 lot, there were 100 students. Question to dia sangi sobe physics chemistry pohiboi boli. Dia to nai. In a college, 100 students. Tomorrow, to me randomly 100 students select korilla. The college may offer different subject, right? Tatu dha humanities thakibo pare, commerce thakibo pare ba here. To me heta physics chemistry pohiboi laibo boli not necessary, right? To me tar question to pa gom pala je 82 students read physics and chemistry. Tete kimanta student neither study physics and chemistry. Kimanta student pai gola 18. So obviously you can write this one is what 18. Number of students who read neither physics nor chemistry is 18. Pala. Is it done? Note down the question. Note down the answers. Now we'll just start a new chapter. Next, indices and logarithm, right? Next chapters, indices and logarithm. Okay, basic rules. Basic rule of indices. Okay, basic rule of indices. Sab likhi jaba, huh? A to the power 1, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. Ami janu je etuk index boli koy aru a to whole base. A to the power m into a to the power n hole duta jodi common base thake eta base likhi pelai index bilak add kore m plus n eneke likhe. A raised to the power provided there is a common base duta saman hobo lagibo. Okay, so next to whole jodi tumi eta index hok eta beleg eta di divide kora and provided they have the same base jodi divide kora eta multiplication korile index eta addition hoy aru jodi divide kora tetia subtract hobo whole three. Okay, so a by b whole to the power m hole ki মান hobo a raised to the power m or b raised to the power m ene ki hobo jodi there is a common fraction eta fraction opor jodi index thake protito upor beleg beleg ke you can put the power, right? Then 4. Okay, if there is a reciprocal like 1 upon a to the power m, then any kind of reciprocal likha 1 by a to the power m, a to the power m you can bring it up korile ki hobo negative hobo. Or similarly, if there is a negative exponent, it will become positive if you take to the numerator, right? Okay, now jodi nth root thake, how do you write? Thora a uporot nth root to eneke likhu so eneke square root symbol tat n likhile mane nth root etu hoy a to the power ki 1 by n eneke likha hoy 6 power, a to the power, anything to the power 0 is always equal to 1, right? So we have got more laws. So এইবিলাক question কৰোঁতে বুজাই গ'লে হৈ গ'ল, right? এইকেইটা হ'ল common properties. Let's start. Okay. Illustration 20. I hope you have written the laws. लिखिला, सबे लिखिला. So important questions, right? Important questions. Dia say, look, it is given that this is illustration 20, right? So it's given a raised to the power x is equal to a by k whole to the power y is equal to k raised to the power m, right? I prove korbo lage 1 upon x plus 1 upon y to the minus minus, okay, 1 by y is equal to 1 upon m. It will prove korbo lage. How to prove this? Okay, let's try one thing, right? Here to korbo lage ekoi nai. First step, a to the power x will be there. Here tumi eta dekhisa, there is a fractions, right? We'll be taking a raised to the power y. Emato heki gosu duita ta beleg beleg ke ami exponent lom k raised to the power y aru yate hol k raised to the power m. Done. Hol etu hol a. Done. ठीक है. This implies, okay, amak lage x or value 1 by x lage 1 by y lage mon rakhiba, right? Yeah. So you can do one thing. I'll just interchange these two places, ax or ky. It is a place interchange korim. I'm just bringing ky this side, k raised to the power y, or it. Ky will be changing these positions, and therefore ax I will write this. You know this property, right? Huh? So this implies some yabar kiba hoy na a raised to the power y, right? Or it hobo a raised to the power y minus x, right? Or it hobo k raised to the power m. Done. Eti ami from the first term and the last term, k to the power y is equal to k to the power y can be written. It will see there are three terms. This is equal to this. This is equal to this. So I can definitely compare this and this. Can you compare? Eta compare karo paro. Eta jodi compare karo, k to the power y is equal to k to the power m. So we'll get y is equal to m. Because both bases are same, so their exponents are always equal. So we got one relation, y is equal to m pi bola. ठीक है sir? Y is equal to m. Then I'll compare this one, the first and the second. Also k to the power y is equal to a to the power y minus x. Done. So what we'll do is I'll just write this is 1. এইটো 1 ৰাখিলোঁ আৰু ডিভাইড কৰিলোঁ k to the power y দি পেলাই then what I have done tell me both side I have divided by k to the power y so k to the power y k to the power y divide কৰিলে 1 আৰু a to the power y minus x of k to the power y divide কৰিলে it will be in the denominator is that okay those who are online could you follow these steps how to solve okay now so a to the power y minus 6 k to the power y so y is equal to m but k is different right so divide kore dile if we divide rub কৰিছে এটো just use a new idea হল কি কৰিলো ফার্স্ট a to the power x স্টেপস কিটা ঠিকে লিখিছো তো ঠিকে লিখিছো right okay so k raised to the power y is equal to a raised to the power y minus x divide korile y will not get me benefit because k2 and a both are different divide kore ko labh no hobo jodi k agote divide korisil na k divide korle ki hobo the denominator we cannot utilize this eto divide kore ko labh na because this one is different right their bases are different কিন্তু আমি y to নাইকিয়া কৰিব পাৰো আমাক k ভ্যালু লাগে k ভ্যালু হলে কি হ'ব সো k ভ্যালু হলে y to নাইকিয়া কৰিলে কি হ'ব a y minus x whole to the power কি হ'ব 1 by y পাৰিম লব this we are removing this one right okay right k is equal to y minus x so যদি multiply কৰি দিম কি হ'ব a y 1 by y কৰিলে 1 আৰু x ক 1 by y কৰিলে x by y পালা k ভ্যালু পালা a to the power 1 minus x by y done okay তাৰপিছত again m we need m now k value পাই গলো y is equal to m k to the power y k to the power m so already we got k to the power m okay y is equal to m okay now etu saba a to the power y minus x equal to k to the power m all etia this k this m I can replace a y minus x whole to the power 1 by m can I write is equal to k তেতিয়া হলে এটু এটা a value এটু এটা k value এটু এটা k value right all both are same this is equal to k this is equal to k দুটা যদি compare করো therefore a to the power y minus x whole to the power 1 by m is equal to etu কিমান হবো a to the power 1 minus x by y. আমি বেস কিটা সেম হয়, we can cancel the bases. Cancel base কৰিলে কিমান হ'ব? y minus x of 1 by m multiply কৰিলে কিমান হ'ব? y upon m minus x by m is equal to 1 minus x by y. Okay? Now right, so at the time question 2 you have to okay, you have to try এটা কি হ'ব সো মই কি কৰিলো we'll just simplify now. আমাক 1 কোট লাগে চাই লও আমাক 1 কোট নে লাগে 1 by x 1 by y x y m or value লাগে right that 1 কোট নে লাগে দা হৈ গল এতিয়া আমি এটা কাম কৰো m টো যদি ইয়াপা লও m টো LCM ললো y minus x থাকিলে done আৰু তাত y ললে কিমান হ'ব y minus x over, right? So m is equal to y, right? Done. So y minus x cancel now. So m is equal to m is equal to y to agate palo no. M is equal to y to pi thona hai jano. Pi thona ase. Ye inike lo lo. y সলনি m হৈ গ'ল 1 by m আৰু x ৰ ভ্যালুটো ওলালে হৈ গ'ল okay here paro m is equal to y palo here paro m is equal to y palo etia amak prove koribo lage ki 1 by x minus 1 by y 1 by x minus 1 by y right 1 by x or value to poa nai but y value to m palo right y value is equal to m hoy gol right yes so x or value we have to find the value of x a to the power x is equal to k to the power m okay k y is equal to m y is equal to n is equal to y a by k m not y is equal to k to the power m to kata jabo no kele kata jabo because y is equal to m right so this is equal to a is equal to k square a value k square pala a value jodi if it is a value k square then a to the power x is equal to side one a to the power x is equal to k to the power m hole right and what is the value of a k square whole to the power x equal to k to the power m this is equal to k to the power twice x equal to k to the power m so twice x is equal to kiman hobo m twice x is equal to the m hoy x is equal to kiman hobo by m is equal to twice x twice x bahai dile hobo 1 by x na amak na laga amak right at amak m he lage x er value bahai dim x er value kiman m by 2 right this I know okay this is m by 2 whole minus 1 by m. Done. X value, so yapa m by 2 no hobo m by 2 bhai dilu 2 2 por jabo 2 by m minus 1 by m equal to 1 by m, right hand side. 2 by m minus 1 by m is 1 by m. Etu kora illustration 22 kora. Solve 22 illustration. All of you solve 22 illustration. পরিষ্কার করব। Look, solve 6 raised to the power 2x plus 4. 6 raised to the power 2x plus 4 is equal to 3 to the power 3x 2 to the power x plus 8. 3 to the power 2x 2 to the power 3 to the power x plus 8. Into x plus 8 আছে হ্যাঁ, into অকল x plus 8, right? Done. x plus 8 আছে। এটা চাই লোৱা কি কৰোঁ, 6 to the power 2x এটো ব্ৰেক কৰি লোৱা into 6 to the power 4 হ'ব। ইয়াতে প্লাস থাকিলে মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন হৈ যাব, 6 ৰ পাৱাৰ 2x হ'ব, 6 to the power 4 হ'ব। Done. আকৌ এইটো হ'ব 3 to the power 2x, right? এটা 3 to the power 2x তুমি এনেকৈ এবাৰ লিখি লৈছোঁ, right? I will be writing this. আৰু similarly you can write 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 8. You can write like this. How? Now this you can write in this way, 6 to the power 2, 6 square whole to the power x, you can write like this. 6 to the power 4, you can write 6 minus 23, right? So 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4, you can write like this. Okay? 6 6 যদি break কৰো 2 into 3, 2 উপর 4 উপর 3 উপর 4, এটা 3 to the power 2x তুমি লিখিব পাৰা 3 square whole to the power x, অকল x উপর ৰাখিব, 3 square দেখিছা নাই, 3 square whole to the power x you can write. তাক যদি you can just check whether it's correct or not. There are two exponents, you can multiply 2x, it will get the same thing. আৰু 2 to the power x আৰু 2 to the power 8, এতিয়া চোৱা 2 to the power 4 মই 2 to the power 8 কাটি দিলোঁ, 2 to the power 4 থাকিলে 2 to the power 8 I can cancel by 2 to the power 4. Done. Okay, এতিয়া কি থাকিব চাই লোৱা আৰু হ'ল। This is 6 square 36, right? 3 square 9, so 9 to the power x, into 36 to the power x whole 6 square 36 আৰু 3 to the power 4 মানে কিমান 81 ন এটো 9 to the power x আৰু 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 4 16 So what do you need? Tumak lage here x or value. Done. Okay. There's just a little bit simplification you needed, right? Okay. So what you can do is silo 36 mane 36 mane 6 to the power twice x, right? 6 to the power twice x 2 into 3 2 to the power twice x 3 to the power twice x and you will 3 to the power twice x 2 to the power x এটো স্টেপৰ পৰা বেলেগকৈ লিখিছোঁ এইটো স্টেপৰ পৰা এইটো লিখি আকৌ এইটো স্টেপে আহি যাম এইটো স্টেপৰ পৰা বেলেগকৈ লিখিম এইটো পৰা এইটো বেছি ইজি হ'ব ইয়াৰ পৰা কৰিব পাৰিম এইটো 2 into 18 কৰিলে হ'ল এইটো ফৰ বেটাৰ দেন দিছ ওৱান হ'ব 6 to the power twice x কি লিখিম চোৱা 2 to the power twice x লিখিম into 3 to the power twice x লিখিম পাৰিম because 2 into 3 6 আৰু 6 to the power 4 লৈ পেলাই তুমি 6 to the power 4 সেইটো লৈ কোনো চিন্তা নাই that we don't need to worry about this তারপর 3 to the power twice x एको प्रॉब्लम नहीं और 2 to the power x लो एको प्रॉब्लम नहीं 2 to the power 8 लो तो एको प्रॉब्लम नहीं 2 to the power 8 done okay now it is what I am going to do is here twice x देखिए have you seen twice x oh 3 to the power twice x 3 to the power twice x तो it's same right no yes এটো cancel কৰিলে হ'ল 3 to the power twice x 3 to the power twice x same and 2 to the power twice x of 2 to the power x divide কৰিলে 2 to the power x থাকিব you can cancel this one it will be 2 to the power x so it will be only 2 to the power x into 6 to the power 4 equal to 2 to the power 8 কিমানে থাকিলে so this is equal to 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 8 into 2 to the power 6 to the power 4 more down করে নিছি 6 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 8 और into 6 to the power 4 all into 2 to the power 4 ये तो साइड हो 6 to the power 4 माने 2 into 3 right 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 8 আছে 2 to the power 4 এটো কৰিলে কিমান হ'ব 2 to the power 4 থাকিব right মই ভুলকে লিখিলো না কোয়েশ্চনটো that's the problem right question to I have written wrongly question about 3 to the power 3x আসলে এখানে মিলা নাই it's all right no problem right so let it be so it will be you can cancel 2 to the power of 2 to the power 4 cancel 2 to the power 4 so finally what's left out 2 to the power x is equal to this will be 2 to the power 4 minus 16 और 3 to the power 4 माने किमान 81 right 81 so x right done okay 3 to the power x equal to 16 by 81 it is x equal to obviously you can find out if you can express this one in power of 2 I question to 2 power हुआ के दिखो यानी कि नहीं दिए ये 3 ইয়াতে 2 3 to the power 3x লিখিব লাগিছিলে ইয়াতে কুৱেশ্যনত ইয়াতে 3x ছিলে মই 2 দেখিলোঁ তেতিয়া মিলি গ'ল সেইটো তেতিয়াহ'লে you could have written power ইয়াতে দুইফালে পাৱাৰটো 2/3 আহি গৈছে ইয়াতে 2/3 পাৱাৰ নাহে only because of that you don't worry about this খালি এনেকুৱা কুৱেশ্যন থাকিলে always just write just break the expressions and always try to write similar terms in similar size আৰু ইয়াতে কোনো ফিক্সড ৰুল নাথাকে যে মই এইটো এনেকৈ কৰিব লাগিব জাষ্ট কুৱেশ্যনটো চাই পেলাই you can decide হ'ব right okay so we'll continue with questions এইটো tomorrow we'll continue with indices questions then we'll start log হ'ব ma'am has come so we'll wind up for today okay thank you everyone
Thank you, sir.